Today I am going to deal with two words. Their spellings are different, their meanings are different, their pronunciation is also different. Yet one of them is often pronounced like the other. The words are COUGH and CUFF. Now COUGH is a noisy expulsion of air from the lungs. In Hindi, it is khasi. The correct pronunciation of the word is not cough, like most people say. It is cough. For example, she had a bad cough. She was coughing and sneezing all day. The second word, which is generally pronounced correctly, is CUFF. It is the end of a shirt sleeve that covers the wrist. For example, a tasteful inch of white cuff protruded from beneath his black suit coat. So remember, COUGH is cough, not cuff, and CUFF is cuff. COUGH is cough, cough, not cuff. I hope you'll remember this.